So all of you should know me by now. I am DP Roberts, and for years it has been my goal to help people navigate the world of trading. That's why I have spent years testing thousands of indicators and strategies here on my channel. And it's also why I am excited to announce the new futures and prop firm training division of the Academy of Forex. To make this possible, we have developed a partnership with Will O'Neill from Will Trades. Over 6 years ago, Will set out to learn how to become a profitable trader. And over the years, as he has learned the ins and outs of the futures trading market and the world of prop firms, he has perfected a small handful of simple strategies which has allowed him to become a highly profitable trader, earning tens of thousands of dollars every single week. Now, don't let his age fool you. He is not only an extremely talented trader, but more importantly, an extremely talented teacher that helps everyone in his community become just as successful as he has become. And as an example, let's just go ahead and take a look at his Discord. I am a member, and that's why I am happy and thrilled about this partnership. It's not just some unknown, no-named partnership where only one side is kind of benefiting. I am also a member of his Discord and a member of his everyday team, and we'll, like I said, jump into the Discord and just go over some of the team profits. And so you can see here that this is from just this last week. And you can see here the profits that the team members are bringing in working with Will as he trades the live market with them side by side. And so we'll just go through some of the earnings here. Again, you can see here $339. Some people have a little bit more experience than other, bringing in a little bit more. Here secured another 10K for a 20K withdrawal. Most of these traders are trading through prop firms, which again is something that Will has an in-depth knowledge of and helps all of his members understand how to navigate the prop firm world and how to pass challenges and maintain the accounts and profitability. And so you can see here again, this member's profit, or the team's profit, is just full of his everyday members who he has taught to become profitable. Now, on his Discord, each day, we start out the day pre-market going over the day's levels on the NQ futures market. And we form a daily trading plan, and this is formed and guided by Will himself. He explains exactly where he plans on taking his trades, and once the market is open, he calls out those trades in real time. He tells you exactly when he is pressing the button to enter and when he is pressing the button to exit. He tells you his position sizing, where he's putting his stop losses, where he's putting his take profits, and everything that is needed. Now, this hands-on approach really allows many of his Discord members to not only become profitable, but more importantly, to learn how to become profitable on their own. Now let's go ahead and just take another quick break here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to play one of the recorded videos of the trade that Will and the rest of the team took just the other day. So what I'll do is just go ahead and pull this up.
Here, because I really want to make sure that this actually will push. It's not going to be a fake out.
The video quality will get better here in just one moment, so stick with it here.
All right, this flipped green to red. I'm in on these. Or sorry, red to green. All right, I'm going to go in on these. I'm in on these guys. Half size.
And now see how he's calling out his the exact moment he's pressing the button. He's telling you exactly the size. Now, again, he set this up beforehand. It's not like he just called it out immediately when he did. As he's seeing this set up, he's telling the entire team working together to explain, if this was to break this level and get a nice push, he was going to go in half size and exactly where his levels work. So he doesn't just go from saying nothing to pulling the trigger, giving you no time to enter. He sets this up so you can literally push the button the same moment he pushes the button.
See if we can get momentum push here.
Look at the profits up here.
Stop loss for me is candle low. Let's go. Stop loss.
And it's telling you exactly where his stop loss is as the trade is playing out.
This is candle low for me here, guys, at 17,345. I just want to absolutely just break this high now. Look at a bigger time frame.
Can't tell you how powerful it is to have.
We're getting close to the pre-market high break here.
Boom.
Nice. Moving my stop up.
How powerful it is to have someone explaining this in real time as it's playing out, working with you.
Next push. I don't want this just to... Again, I'm going to do probably break even here, pretty close to it. Alright, I'm going to get out at next high break here. So at around, what is this? 17,664. Up here. Or I'll get out at 17,491. That's a good spot. 17,491.
Now also notice how he's adapting to the market as the trade's playing out, right? He's not just saying, put your stop here, put your take profit here, sit on your hands and let it, go against you and stop you out. He's really kind of playing these levels, adapting as the market is making its move, watching what's happening, watching the momentum of the candles and calling it out to his team in real time. Look at the profits up here.
So I'm $2,500 right now on 4 accounts. Let's go. About to get TP, break even stop here. Let's get it. About to hit TP right here. I'm at break even stop, guys.
And look at the profits. It's up over $3,000
get
right
it
now. This is on a prop firm account, so he's not risking any of his money. Basically,
all right, about to get out. Next candle, 17,485. So my TP is literally this high break right here. Boom! I'm out.
There you go.
There it goes.
Just like that, made over $4,000.
And we are done. Let's get.
Called it out to the entire group. Walked them through the entire trade as he took it, hand in hand. Could have easily just followed him along as he took this trade. Now again, couple that with his in-depth knowledge and experience with prop firms, and it really is the perfect combination for new or even experienced traders to take the next step to become a profitable trader or, next step to profitability. Now, Will offers a 5-day free trial to his Discord, and I feel like that's extremely valuable because what that does is it allows you to see him and his members earn money in real time. So that way you can see how the community works as a whole to really uplift and accelerate new traders to become profitable traders. You can find a link to the free trial down below in the description. That'll give you the 5-day free trial and access to the Discord. Now, after the free trial is over, if you decide to become a member, then you will also, as an extra added benefit, get all the access to the Academy of Forex Discord and all the information and benefits that we offer there as well. So you get access to 2 Discords with extremely valuable information and tools to help guide you on your trading journey. And as I said, you can find a link down below in the description to sign up for that free trial. Now, you must use the link down below to get the access to the free trial and to his Discord if you want access to both of those Discords. Again, the wealth of information within both those Discords, but also that will give you the free trial to the Academy of Forex indicator as well. So you're just given a wealth of tools and knowledge to help you in your journey. Now, of course, when you sign up, you will be given immediate access to all the educational information and teaching videos videos that Will has on his own Discord. And then, of course, first thing in the morning, you will get access to that live trading and training session, and the lessons that he goes through throughout the day as well, the power hour, the daily recap, and the end of the day lesson on exactly where his mind was, what he was thinking, drawing out these levels, his strategies, and everything that you need to become that profitable trader on your own. And again, take that next step in your trading journey. Now, honestly, this is something that I am super excited about. I think it is a very cool partnership. I think it will help people drastically become better traders. And I really hope to see you within Will's Discord, as well as my own. Now, once again, click the link down below in the description to get started, and we will see you in there.